back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We're going to get right on in because I have a few different job leads to share with you today. One is even from well-known soda company Coca-Cola. They're hiring you to listen to recorded phone calls, so no talking to customers. They're paying up to $74,000 a year. They're not requiring a degree. We're going to get to it, but before we do, I have lots of job leads to share, so please bear with me through this video. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video, and I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback, and share with all your friends and family because we all want to live our happiest, healthiest life working from home, having that great work-life balance. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and dive on into it. The first up is we have a company called Mirateck. Now, Mirateck has 295 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a data processing specialist. This is remote for the United States. All of these positions are going to be for the United States. Now, you will have to scroll halfway down the page just a little bit to get to this position, but they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for inputting data and making changes to the existing data figures in their digital databases. So it's basically like data entry. You're going to input data from paper documents or raw digital data into formatted forms. You're going to examine these invoices and purchase orders and then accurately enter that data into their system in a timely manner, making sure that all work is accurate. So you're going to check everything, making sure there are no errors. You'll ensure all the necessary documents and information required for service completion have been provided, and you carefully examine and cross-reference all these documents to the necessary information. So no college degree is needed for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, someone who has great computer skills, including great typing skills, someone who has great communication skills, great problem-solving skills, and can be energetic and self-motivated. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Next up, if you're athletic, then you might have heard of Lululemon. They are a well-known athletic wear clothing brand. They're in malls across the United States. They're hiring a contact center representative. They call these GECs or guest education educators, and they are hiring for remote positions. Now, it does look like they have different shifts available, so you might want to come to this job posting and look at all of the time slots that they have available to hire within. Everything is Pacific Standard Time, so of course if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But again, they're hiring for seasonal roles that start as early as August 2023, so now through February of 2024. We've talked about this in another video. Some of these retail companies are going to start hiring people to do customer service work from home with the holiday season coming up. And so Lululemon is going to be no different. They are going to hire through the holiday season and even into January and February because of those holiday returns. They are paying a base pay of $16.65 an hour, all the way up to $23.43 an hour, and then you get additional $2.50 per hour, and so that will bring the pay up to $19.50 an hour, up to $25.93 an hour. They're basically looking for somebody to deliver world-class customer experience through all of their guest education channels, so phone, live chat on the website, email, and text. You're going to resolve guest concerns and inquiries through connection and empathy. You'll be responsible for achieving quality guest interactions, adhering to your schedule and efficiency targets, being responsible for maintaining a high level of knowledge of Lululemon's policies, procedures, and product education. So you're going to help customers through several things like placing orders, setting up returns, communicating the different programs that Lululemon offers, and troubleshooting to support any growing e-commerce business. Now, they are looking for somebody who's 1 year of customer service experience, someone who can commit to completing a 2.5-week full-time training position, but outside of that, they do offer full-time and part-time, someone who has great customer service skills, great time management skills, and someone who can be dependable. How it does look like they're going to provide the computer equipment you need to do the job. You will have to have your own internet access, though. Moving right along, we have the company Calm. Now, Calm has only 83 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But out of those 83 reviews, they do have a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a renewals associate. This is remote for the United States. Now, Calm is a mental health brand, and that is where the word calm comes in. They're trying to help people with sleep, meditation, and relaxation. So they're basically looking for somebody to manage their renewals process, from proactively identifying upcoming account renewals, identifying upselling and expansion opportunities, negotiating the terms of those contracts, pricing contract extensions, and high volume segments. You're going to help build and maintain strong relationships with those external counterparts, participating in customer success led business reviews, working closely with the customer success team, identifying high risk clients, and developing a plan of action to increase adoption and usage of the Calm and Calm platform and Calm services. You're going to provide accurate and timely renewal forecasts and reports for management. They are looking for someone who has 2 years of related work experience, with 1 year being in customer success, customer support, or account management. They also want somebody who is results oriented, self-starter, someone who is comfortable partnering with different individuals, so a team player, and has experience in establishing new processes. You also got to be able to work in a fast-paced environment. They are paying very well, though. They get a base salary of about $82,500, and then you get incentives of about $27,500, bringing your target salary to $110,000 a year. Of course, this is the job lead that we've all been waiting for. Coca-Cola is hiring a quality assurance analyst. This is remote for the United States. So they are basically looking for somebody to help utilize established methodologies to record, monitor, and evaluate the customer service agent interactions across sales, service, and support teams. So you're going to be evaluating agent performance daily by listening to those recorded phone calls, evaluating the recorded phone calls, live calls, and any other customer actions that the customer service team has, such as chats, emails, and social media. You're going to be checking these to make sure they're adhering to the quality standards, company policies, and best practices. You're going to help develop and implement quality monitoring processes, tools, and performance metrics to help track that agent performance, assisting with trend reporting as needed, and collaborating with other departments such as the training and operations departments to share your insights and recommendations for overall improving the quality of the customer service. So maybe the training team needs to train on different things. You'll communicate with leaders on constructive feedback and properly document the agent's performance. So they are only requiring a high school diploma. They always prefer a bachelor degree, but it is not required. They do want somebody who has 3 to 5 years of call center experience and somebody who has experience providing feedback or coaching others. They do want somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of quality position is preferred, but not required. You do need to know how to use call center software, though, like recording tools, those phone tools, all that, and have great attention to detail, great communication skills, and great computer skills. Now, pay. They're paying fairly well for this job and what it is. Pay is anywhere from $60,200 a year all the way up to $74,100 a year. Now, if you're interested in this position, they are getting ready to cut off accepting applications, so please get that application in very quickly. Next up, we have retail chain REI Co-op. They sell like outdoor sports type equipment. It's time. We're going into that holiday season. Shopping starts for the holiday season in about 6 weeks. All of these companies are ramping up for their seasonal customer service jobs. REI is no different. They're looking for somebody to be a problem solver and passionate about providing exceptional customer service. So you're just going to be answering those contact center calls, answering different questions such as product questions, order questions, shipping questions, all of that, helping de-escalate any angry or upset customers. You're going to be taking mainly phone calls. Now, they do have training dates. They are going to offer paid training. And they are not going to require any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who is at least 18 years or older, someone who can work a flexible schedule, and you have to live within 100 miles of an REI retail location. So they do have state restrictions. They can hire in Arizona, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Kansas, Maine, Minnesota, Nevada, New Mexico, North Carolina, Oklahoma, Oregon, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Wisconsin, or Washington State. You do need to have critical thinking skills, and they want somebody who has experience in retail. But if you live in one of those states and have that experience, they're paying anywhere from $15.30 an hour all the way up to $17 an hour. All right. If you've made it to the end of this video through all my rambling, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can always feel free to leave down below anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.